Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another plus size Shein try on haul. You guys really enjoyed my last one, and I was ordering a few more things, so I thought I would show you guys what I picked up. This one is going to be a lot of dresses. I did get a couple of things. Now, one of the things that I definitely recommend when you are going to order from Shein is pay attention to the reviews, number one. Every item has a review on it that will let you know if the item it's like larger than it's supposed to be, like if it fits true to size, if it fits larger, or if it fits smaller. And then there's also measurements on everything. So make sure that you're paying attention to both of those things. Then you shouldn't have any problems when you're trying to decide what size to get. Now in this order, I was away from my measuring tape, so I just relied on the reviews, and there were a few things that came that were too small. So I will just show you guys what those are rather than trying them on, because I'm not going to try them on if they're way too small, obviously. But a lot of the things did fit really well, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. The reason why I was ordering this in the first place, making another order, was because we are getting family photos done with my in-laws next week, and basically my sister-in-law's family is going to be in navy, and then my family is going to be in like a really light teal color. Like, this is the shirt that my boyfriend is going to be wearing. It's this color, and my kids both have shirts that match that color exactly. So I've been trying to find something that matches it, and I've had no luck. So I saw a couple of things on Shein that I thought might work, so I picked them both up. Neither one of them matches exactly. One is a little bit more blue and one is a little bit more green, but probably one of those items will end up working, just won't be exactly the same color. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get on into the haul. I am right now wearing a shirt, and I'll show you guys in a minute. This is one of the shirts that I picked up. I'm going to be showing you most of the shirts with my jean shorts that I picked up the last time. So if you haven't watched my last Shein try on haul, I'll link it here somewhere in the iCards above someplace, because the only pair of shorts that I did order this time are a little bit snug. Like, I can wear them, but they are a little bit uncomfortable. So I'm going to show you everything with this pair of shorts that I've already hauled, so just so you guys are aware of that. Okay, but yeah, so the first thing is this shirt, and it's just a t-shirt. It's like a t-shirt material, and it's got this little detailing here on the front, this little like cross, and it's just like a tank top. It's nice and flowy. It fits really well. It's very nice and loose, and it is it's perfect for the summer. Like, it's nice and flowy. And this one is, I got this in a size XL. This is why it's very important to read the reviews, because normally I'm about a 2X, but those reviews were telling me that this fits very, very large. So I picked up an XL, and it fits me absolutely perfectly. I think if I would have gotten a larger size, like, it would have been hanging down here, my armpit down here. So I'm really glad that I paid attention to the reviews for that. And yeah, I really like it. I like the color of it as well. Okay, so next I'm just going to show you really quickly here some items that I picked up for my kids, and they're going to match. So, and they even match my bedroom actually, but I picked up this cute little jumper for Dawson, and this is going to fit him for a while. They have the sizes for babies in like UK sizes, I guess, and so it was like size 80, and I was like, I have no idea what size that is in like months, how we size it in Canada and the US. So yeah, so I picked up size 80, and I think that it's going to be too big for him. And then I picked up this t-shirt for Holden. Super, super cute. You guys can't really see the white there. It matches my bedding too well, but yeah, they can match together, and I thought it was super adorable. I love the colors. And this actually is seems like a really high quality as well for the amount that you pay for it. It's absolutely insane. So next, this is the cutest idea ever I think I've ever had. I saw this and I thought, how cute would this be for Dawson to have as a Halloween costume this year? So he can go as Milk and Holden can go as a Cookie. So They're going to be cookies and milk for Halloween this year. Yeah, they had this little, I don't know if it's supposed to be a Halloween costume, but I saw it there and I thought, oh my God, how adorable is that? So that's going to be, it comes with a little hat. It's just going to be the cutest thing, I think. Okay, next is, I'm just going to show you guys the items that were too small. I'm just going to put those, lay those flat on my bed, and then we will get into the items that actually did fit me, and I'll show you those in the try-on fashion. But yeah, so I got this little nightie, and it is so pretty. I love the lace details, and I absolutely love the color. And the front is really, really pretty. The back is even prettier. I'll turn it over for you guys in a second here. But unfortunately, it was way too small. I wish I would have measured myself before I ordered it because it's so pretty and it's really nice. Like the fabric is very, very soft as well. I like the little slits on the side here. And then the back is even prettier. It has this crisscrossing detail here. And then it joins up at the front. Very, very, very pretty. And this was a size, let me see here. This was a size 2X, and to be honest with you guys, I think I could have even gotten away with getting a 4X for this. Like, it's that small on me. So yeah, for 2X, like, it's pretty small for a 2X, and that really goes to show you that things differ so much in the sizes from Shein. You really have to pay attention to what the reviews and the measurements say, because once again, like in this shirt I'm in an XL and it's fine and it's flowy, but then in this a 2X is way too small, and I probably should have ordered a 4X, which I'm not typically a 4X either. I'm typically a 2X, sometimes a 3X. But yeah, very pretty color though. Next is this t-shirt. This is a 3X. No. Yes, so this was a 3X, and it is once again too small, which again, I should have gotten a 4X, and that's not typically a size that I would normally wear. But just this black t-shirt that says Boy Mama on it. So I thought it was super, super cute, and it was on sale for I think like $6 or something like that. So that, I mean, that's the other thing, is that you get things you get things from there for so cheap that it almost doesn't really seem worth it to even bother returning it. Like, you could probably just make your money back selling it on, you know, like a Facebook Messenger site or whatever, you know, those Facebook garage sale sites. You could probably just make your money back selling it on there because it's brand new. So okay, so this item is another one that doesn't really fit. It's a little bit too small. You can see down here, it's like hugging me a little bit too closely. It does get covered up quite a bit by this bow, which is nice because it is like definitely, it hides the tummy a bit. It's got this bow that you could like tie. It comes, this part comes off. It's attached here. It's attached here, but it does open up, which I don't know why you would ever wear it that way, but this definitely does get hidden a bit. But yeah, I think if I got this in a size larger would probably work, or even, you know, you never know, if a girl was to lose a little bit of weight, then it would fit. But it's very, very pretty. I absolutely love the color. And yeah, it's just a little bit too snug. Like, it's just not very stretchy. If it was a little bit stretchier, then maybe it would work. But yeah, it just hugs the curves a little bit too closely for my liking. Pretty much just right here for the most part. But it is a really pretty dress. It's just a t-shirt dress. It's a cotton fabric. And I love this ruching detail here. Although right here is a little bit weird, I will say. But you probably wouldn't really notice if you were just out wearing it. But the color is my favorite thing. Like, this kind of color, this caramel color, is quickly becoming one of my favorite colors. Okay, so next is this little yellow dress. It is so comfortable and it's so pretty. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it is quite short. So it is very, very short, and it's very flowy. So any sort of breeze that comes up, you need to be watching yourself. And for us big bottomed girls, I mean, in the back, it's even shorter, right? So it's a little bit uncomfortable to wear in that fact that it is just so short, and that's not something that I am particularly used to. And then like this drawstring comes off. This is a size 2X, and I probably could have gone down a size, but I remember that I ordered the 2X. Like, all the reviews said that it did fit big, but they also said it was short. So I figured if I ordered a size up, and I just tied it anyways, it would look cute, which I think it does. Like it kind of like ruches more here when it's, you know, you got more fabric and then you tie it together, it looks a little bit more flowy. So I like that look, but I just thought that it would be longer if I did that. So I imagine if I would have gotten my regular size, it probably would be way too short. And I really like this detail here at the top. Obviously I'm not wearing the correct bra for this, but I like how it's like cut out here. It's really, really pretty. And then the back is just, the back is just like a cowl neck kind of back. And the only thing that I will say also is, I don't know if you guys can tell this if I come close. Yeah, there's a couple of spots here where it looks like the fabric is kind of like pulling, and I even have a little stain here. I have worn this once already. I wore this to a pool party the other day. By pool party, I mean our cousins have a pool, and it was just us and them. We're not at a pool party. You know, COVID. But I did wear it to that, so I don't know if I did that because I didn't notice it before. Like when I first tried it on, I didn't notice those pulls there, so I'm not sure if I did that somehow, but I didn't get it caught on anything, so I don't know how I would have done that, or if it's just a flaw in this particular dress. But it is absolutely so pretty, and I love the color. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and it's really nice and flowy for those really hot summer days. We have been in a heat wave here where I am, so it's been really nice to be wearing things like this, just nice and flowy and staying nice and cool. Okay, so next I got these shorts, and these are the ones I told you about that are a little bit too small, I think. Like they're just a little bit snug. I can still wear them, but they definitely are a little bit more snug than I would typically like and be comfortable in. I got these in the 3X, and they are button up fly, so that's really cute. They're black denim, and they just have like a regular pocket here in the back, and they are like a pretty good length. These are in a 3X once again, but I think I probably should have sized up and got a 4X. And then this t-shirt is just a plain cotton t-shirt that says Mom Life on it. This was on sale, I think, for like $4. And I got it in the 3X because I wanted that nice, loose, like oversized look to it, which is exactly what I got. And I really like it. It was this color, and I think this was the only color that was that much of a sale, which I love yellow, so I'm okay with that. I will say that the neck on this one fits a little bit weird. So I don't know, maybe if I wash it and shrink it, that will help. But it is like it's almost like it's trying to be like an off-the-shoulder type of shirt, but it's just not succeeding. And it's kind of like, make up your mind, are you just a normal t-shirt or are you an off-the-shoulder shirt? So, but other than that, I do like it, and I really like the fly on these shorts. They're super, super cute. I would probably wear like something like that, like, you know, tuck it in so that you can show off the fly a little bit if I had gotten the correct size, but they are very, very cute. Okay, so this is one of the items that I got to wear for our family pictures. So this one is the one that's a little bit too blue, I think, to match up with my family's clothing. But it's very, very pretty. It's very flowy, and it's a good length. I like the detail up here. Like, I like the line of it. It is a little bit, fits a little bit strange here. Like, this could almost be taken in a bit here. But it's very, very, very pretty, and it's just like a plain solid back. Once again, I would have to get a different bra for it. But it is really pretty, and it's very comfortable. This is a size 2X, and I love the flower pattern on it. It's so pretty, very feminine, nice and loose. Like, I almost wish it had pockets. It's like one of those dresses that you just feel like it needs to have pockets. But it's very, very pretty, you know, like, be doing this all day whenever you're wearing it. And so yeah, this is what I'm probably going to end up wearing for our family photos. I might put on like a little navy cardigan to go over top of it, or maybe like a white belt would be really cute, just like for up here. So we will see. But yeah, this is probably what I'm going to end up going with. Okay, so this is hands down my favorite piece that I picked up. It is so pretty. My favorite part is this part up here. So it's like a gold rope, and then it has these little beads on it, and that's actually what keeps the whole dress up. So you tie it together and it's like your straps here as well. Once again, would need different underwear with it. It is a little bit see-through. I don't know if you guys can see my hot pink undies under here, but it is a little bit see-through, so you'd want to be wearing something nude underneath. But it's very, very pretty. I wore this yesterday. I had a ton of compliments on it. And it's definitely hands down my favorite item that I picked up. It fits so well. This is a size 2X. And it is so pretty. It's perfect length. It's just like hitting you right at that knee length. And it's just nice. Like, it's not too flowy where it's gonna like fly up with any gust of wind. But it's a very, very nice with like a little cardigan over it, or even just like that. You definitely need something, you need a strapless bra with it, because you definitely want to show this off. Like, I think this is so pretty. And this one feels like it's a really high quality as well. And again, you could do like a little belt here too, would be really nice. Absolutely love it. And then the back of it, just like goes across the back. Once again, I would have a different bra on, but very, very pretty. And it fits very flattering. Okay, so this is the other shirt that I got in hopes of matching my family for our pictures. It is a little bit see-through. This one's a little bit more green, but I love how the top like sits. I love the top of it and how it flows down. Very, very light material. It's like a chiffon-y kind of material. You can see, like, you can see through it. So you got to make sure that you're wearing something nude under it once again. But it's very nice and cool for summer. It came in a bunch of different color options as well. And then in the back is just a straight back. Once again, need a different bra. And these are the denim shorts that I picked up with my last haul, but this is very, very cute. Just a little bit too green for the color that we're looking for our pictures. Okay, so second to last, I want to show you guys this little workout outfit that I got. So the pants, I probably could have sized up on, but they still are comfortable. They just look a little bit small. They're still comfortable, and my favorite thing about this is the back on both of these, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But then I also got this leopard sports bra, which is really, really cute and very comfortable. I got both of these items in a 2X. Probably could have done a 3X in the pants, but the bra fits so nice, so well. And then figure out, okay, here we go. Now finally at the end of the haul, I figured out how to do the back. So as you guys can see here, the back is super, super pretty. I love it. And then I don't know if you can make out, oh yeah, you can kind of see it there a little bit. Sorry, you guys. I love the crisscrossing detail on these pants in the back. It is so absolutely pretty. Love it so much. And I love the crisscrossing detail of the back of the sports bra as well. Super, super cute. My favorite part of both of the pieces is the back. Okay, and then the last item that we're going to talk about is this sports bra. These are the same pants, but I got this sports bra as well. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to go close here. Yeah, you can see the material that it is. Very pretty. But once again, my favorite thing about this is the back. And the back is absolutely gorgeous with all of these crisscrossing details here. If I can, should have probably made sure I had this all right before. But yeah, it's so super pretty. Has the crisscrossing there in the back. Love that detail. So, so pretty. All right, you guys, so that wraps up my latest Shein try-on haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you have purchased anything from Shein and if you have any tips on how to get the right size. Like I said, normally as long as you pay attention to those two things, the reviews as well as the measurements, you should be okay. But don't do what I did and think that, oh, I can just pay attention to one or the other and it'll be fine, because it's not. As you guys see, I have quite a few items that didn't end up fitting or even just a little bit too snug. So anyways, I hope you guys have really enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more videos like this from me. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.